Skyscraper is a 3D visualization that represents multiple revisions of a software system as an evolving city. In Skyscraper, each city block is a package, and each building is a class. As you step through the software revisions, new classes are added to the software, and new buildings occupy the green lots. Also, existing buildings are reshaped to reflect changes in the classes. The area of the base of a building represents the number of lines of code of a class. The height is the code churn, that is, the number of lines added or removed from a class since its first revision. As the software evolves, buildings get taller, eventually becoming skyscrapers. To use Skyscraper, you'll need a marker and a computer with a camera. A marker is just a piece of paper printed with a specific black and white pattern. It signals where the visualization should be rendered, working as a ground to the city. To rotate the city, just rotate the marker with your hands. In the bottom of the screen, there's information about the revision being visualized, its author and the commit message. In the top, there's information about the class being pointed, its name and two metrics, number of lines of code and code churn. Skyscraper enables insights about the evolution of a software system and supports the identification of design flaws. We can quickly visualize the scattering of changes. Red buildings are classes that were changed in the current revision. As you step through revisions, you observe how changes are scattered across packages. Changes that are too scattered, also called shotgun surgery, may be the result of poor design. Skyscrapers are tall buildings, that is, classes that have undergone many changes during the software history. These classes deserve special attention, since they are more likely to be fault-prone. You can select classes that you are interested in, and they get painted in yellow. While stepping through revisions, you can see what classes were modified together with the classes you selected, while hiding other classes. Classes that change together frequently are likely logically coupled. They are interdependent at the requirements level, even if they are not structurally coupled. Tall buildings which occupy a large area of the city terrain are good candidates for the God class design flaw. God classes assume many responsibilities and perform too much work on their own. Such classes can be hard to maintain. Typically, developers spend more time trying to understand the code than modifying it because, over time, software systems become more difficult to maintain unless an effort is made to simplify the design. In this context, Skyscraper can be used by development teams in video conference meetings within the company, especially in design reviews and inspections, to identify design flaws that could be mitigated to improve software comprehension and maintenance. Skyscraper is open source software. Its source code is available on GitHub.